talking about weather in English. Hi, Jack. Lovely day, isn't it?
Hello, Emma. Yes, it's beautiful. The sun is shining, and it's not too hot.
I love spring. The weather is warm, and the flowers are blooming.
Me too. Do you like summer?
Not really. It's too hot for me. What about you?
I enjoy summer at the beach, but I don't like it when it's too humid.
Yes, humidity makes me feel tired. I prefer cool weather.
Do you like autumn?
Yes. Autumn is perfect. The air is fresh, and I like the colors of the leaves.
Me too. Winter, though, too cold for me.
Oh, I love winter. I like wearing warm clothes and drinking hot chocolate.
That sounds nice. But I don't like snow. It's pretty, but very cold.
True. Do you check the weather forecast every day?
Not every day. I just look out the window. How about you?
I use an app. This morning it said it might rain.
Rain? Really? The sky looks so clear now.
The weather changes all the time. It could rain in 10 minutes.
Good point. Maybe I should carry an umbrella.
That's smart. So, what's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny but cool days, like today.
Me too. It's perfect for a walk in the park.
Shall we take a walk then?
Yes, let's go. And hope it doesn't rain.
Fingers crossed.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.